Hello, sir. Good morning. Myself, Surya of 4th SEM, Computer Science Engineering, JNC, and my teammate is Suraj KR. He is also from the same branch. So this is our mini project based on retail store management system guided by our Narendra Kumar sir. He is an assistant professor in our same branch. These are the contents which are in our mini project system. Okay. So there is a content introduction. Then there is a screenshot of our login page, home page, adding product and sales project. Then there is objectives. Then there is literature survey of our retail store management system. And there is a pros and cons which is available in retail store management system. So this is the introduction. Basically, this our project will help in retail store management or in retail stores or in any stores like more like Big Bazaar there itself only. Okay, so the use is for the management, not for the customer. So in olden days, we were writing the retail store managements were writing in the books and all and pages. Then there will be misuse of that book and that can be stolen by some other people. So in this, there is no stolen or anything. So it will be completely recorded in our computer or systems or laptops. Okay, so these are the applications. And this is the login page for our retail store management. So here you can see you should have to write the user ID and the correct password. If the correct password is there, then there will you get the home page. In home page, you can see the product report, add product, sales product, add sales. These are all very clearly organized. If the login password is wrong, then you will get the incorrect employee ID or password. This is the product management for the user of the management of the retail store. You can add here the list of the stores or any products. This is the product management. For example, product name and that cost per unit, then the company name, like brand name, then there is a type, then there is a description. If you say product, then will appear in the below like this product name, cost per unit, company and description. This is the project management. This is the sales report for the user of management, name, mobile number, item, quantity, cost. If always correct, then it will be successfully added. If there is an error in that sales report, it will show like this. Please enter all data correctly. These are the objectives. That is the advantages. From this, my teammate Suraj KR will explain from this. Over to you, Suraj. 1 second, I will host you.
Thank you, Surya.
1 second, I will host you. Yeah, you can continue.
Okay, thank you, Surya. Hello, everyone. My name is Suraj KR, and I'm from Computer Science branch. And our guide is Mr. Narendra Kumar, sir, Assistant Professor in JNC College. And my teammate Surya has explained detailedly about. One second. He explained you about all the information, basic information about our project, and I'm explaining you the continuing part of our project. And this is our objectives of our mini project, retail store management system. Some of the objectives are here. Some of the common objectives of software include to keep it simple and accessible for everyone from management to staff to use it in the right time with correct features to maintain an accurate track record of sales and stock to remain upgraded, to allow employees in remaining well informed about clients' demands via genuine and detailed product description, to reduce hassle like long queues at the checkout counter by bringing it to the customer through advanced techniques, to promote offers and discounts in the correct manner, to make it usable on devices like smartphones and tablets, to monitor individual performances based on efficient customer dealings, to keep everything available on the touch of smartphone, to allow the business in managing product grouping category wise, to calculate total sales revenue commissions, and also connect with the employees for greater achievements. These are the objectivities of our project. And then we added some literature review on this project. The application of service oriented architecture in retail is an area of interest, is evident from the research literature available as listed below. These are some literature reviews in our project. This is a small image showing steps in our retail involuntary management system. Uh, and now I'm explaining about the pros and cons of our project. The pros of our project include it doesn't consume much time. For example, in older days we are using like our partner said, we are using book, pen and papers to write details about our product and our stock. In this project we don't have we don't have any paperwork. We have all in system, so it doesn't consume much time to store our stock record, and we can easily get our stock report easily. It all stored in our databases. It will collect each and every transaction and process clearly and transparent. We can get any information regarding the products in our stores whenever we want, and from wherever. So we can get stock information easily. We also get to know from from this project is we can we can get easy stock information, and that means how many stocks is available, uh, if the stock is empty, is easily accessible through this project. And the cons of this project include this project or software cannot be used by some people in rural areas. That means this project requires some modern technologies like laptop softwares, or mobile phones, some of the technical technologies. This cannot be offered by rural area peoples. And then next, for this there is um, acknowledgement of software, and uh, the cost of the project is high whenever we compared it with older system. And this is our project, and details about the project. And thank you. Now I am sharing my project's source code and how it gonna work. Okay, this is the design of login page of our project, and this is the source code for our login page. Uh, and I am running this project, this source code now. Now it is we can see a login page here. It is asking user ID and password. I am
Screen shared.
I am entering. Yes. Okay, this is the login page source code we written, and I am running this file now. Okay, it is showing this login page, and it is asking the user ID and password. We created some of the user IDs and password. In that, this is admin. If the password ID is wrong, if I type anything that is not matching, it is shows error. That is incorrect employee ID or password. So this is our admin ID and password. So when we enter correct user ID and password, we get this home page. This is our home page, and here some of the options is there. In this, we can add product. If we click on add product, we will get this page. Here we can add any new projects, any new products that can be obtained from our store. If we enter all the details, if we do not enter any of the boxes here, it will shows error. That means please, it shows an warning like please enter all the data. So okay, then we can enter the cost, company name. If you fill all these columns, we can save this product. That will show you successfully added, and that information is stored in the databases. This is the table of our database, and that means the product list and cost, company and description. Here we can store all the information that we type here. uh, it can be stored in our table. See, this is how we can store products which are available. And then if we click on add sales, we can get this page. Here it asks name, mobile number of the customer, item, quantity, cost. And if we type something, this is also same. If we if we do not enter any of the column, then it will shows this please enter all the data. And if we then enter all the data and then done, it will shows our successfully added page, and it is stored in our column means this table. This is the sales report of our add sales, the add sales option. And then if we have another option like log out, if we log out this, then we will get the login page again. If we once log out, then it closes all the tabs we are running. Then you have to enter once again user ID and password for entering to home page. So this is our project retail store management system, and we explained all the details about the project and source code. So thank you.
Thank you, sir. So thank you, sir. This is our mini project guided by Narendra Kumar, sir.